Good morning, students. It's me, Rosie, your English teacher. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. Students, in our previous class, we were doing chapter number 2, Concrete and Abstract Noun. And today we will continue that chapter. Okay, let's continue.
So, in our previous class, we have already discussed what is concrete noun and what is abstract noun. Let's discuss it once again. So, tell me, students, what is concrete noun? Concrete nouns name things that we can see, hear, taste, smell, or touch. Repeat it after me, students. Concrete nouns name things that we can see, hear, taste, smell, or touch. In other words, we can say that nouns that we can identify through any of our senses, any of our 5 senses, are called concrete noun. For example, coffee, bell, fruit, cat, cotton, mother. Now tell me, students, what is abstract noun? Abstract nouns name things that we cannot see, hear, taste, smell, or touch. Repeat it after me. Abstract nouns name things that we cannot see, hear, taste, smell, or touch. We can only think or feel about it, but we cannot see, hear, taste, smell, or touch any of the abstract noun. For example, kindness, love, knowledge, pain, faith, honesty. Students, all these nouns name things that we can feel or think about it. We cannot see, hear, taste, smell, or touch all these things. Now let's see few sentences of concrete noun. For example, Meera has nice dress. Students, can you find noun in the sentence? Yes, Meera and dress. And both these are concrete noun. Do you know why? Because both these nouns can be identified through our senses, as we can see, hear, and touch Meera and dress. So, concrete nouns name things that we can see, hear, taste, smell, and touch. Now, let's see few more examples of concrete noun. There is a rainbow in the sky. Now, tell me, students, what are the noun in this sentence? Rainbow and sky. Now tell me, can we identify both these nouns with any of our senses? Yes, we can see both these nouns with our eyes. Next example is, there are 3 kittens in the pet store. So in this sentence, kitten and pet store both are noun, and both these are concrete noun, as we can see kittens, we can touch it, even we can smell it. We can see the pet store. So both these are concrete noun. Next example is, my friend has found my missing pencil. In this sentence, friend and pencil both are noun. And also both these nouns are concrete noun, as we can identify it with our sense organ, as we can see both these noun. I hope you all have understood what concrete noun is. Now let's see few examples of abstract noun. Raman was given an award for his bravery. In this sentence, bravery is an abstract noun, as we cannot hear, see, touch, taste, or smell bravery. So it is an abstract noun. And one more thing here, Raman is an concrete noun, as we can see, hear, touch Raman. Next example, my friend showed me a lot of loyalty. In this sentence, loyalty is an abstract noun. As we can just feel the loyalty. We cannot see, hear, taste, smell or touch the loyalty. So it is an abstract noun. Next example is, it takes a lot of courage to perform in front of a huge crowd. In this sentence, courage is an abstract noun as we cannot see, hear, smell, taste or touch courage. Now see the last example. Shashank's determination was appreciated by his class teacher. In this sentence, determination is an abstract noun. As determination is a quality of Shashank that we can just feel. So abstract nouns name things that we cannot see, touch, taste, smell or hear. We can only think or feel it. I hope now it's clear to you what is concrete and what is abstract noun. Now open your notebook. Write today's date 6th January 2021. Assignment number 28, chapter 2, concrete and abstract noun, and underline it. Now write question number 1. Read the following sentences. Circle the abstract nouns and underline the concrete nouns. Students, in this question you have to circle the abstract noun and underline the concrete noun. So first is, I bought a new bag. In this sentence, bag is a concrete noun. So you have to underline bag. Next is, Shreya searched everywhere for her book. In this sentence, Shreya and book is a concrete noun. So underline both these words. Next is, I drink milk every morning. In this sentence, milk is a concrete noun. As we can see the milk, we can taste it. So it is a concrete noun. Underline it. Next is, Rahul is very intelligent. In this sentence, Rahul is a concrete noun and intelligent is an abstract noun. So underline Rahul and circle intelligent. Next is, the baby cried of hunger. In this sentence, baby is a concrete noun and hunger is an abstract noun. So underline baby and circle hunger. Sixth sentence is, my mother says that it is important to share our knowledge. In this sentence, mother is a concrete noun and knowledge is an abstract noun. So underline mother and circle knowledge. Seventh is, Neetu is very honest. In this sentence, Neetu is concrete noun, so underline it, and honest is an abstract noun, so circle it. Now see the last sentence. I received the notebook yesterday. In this sentence, notebook is a concrete noun, so underline the notebook. Now after completing your work, draw blue and red line and do your work neatly. That's all for today. Thank you students and have a nice day.